This is a vintage guitar store in Germany that has everything from 59 Les Pauls to every kind of vintage guitar you can think of. We're going to check it out since we're here. And look, there's
You
Henning.
shouldn't be lying to your viewers.
All right.
This is a brothel, a guitar-shaped brothel.
Okay, maybe. You're probably asking yourself, why am I in Germany in one of the most expensive vintage guitar stores in the world? Well, a bunch of YouTubers and myself were asked to play at Rocking 1000, an event to set a world record with 102,000 musicians playing in front of 20,000 people. Even though we were doing 2 rehearsals a day, we were given a few hours for a break, and we decided to check out Guitar Point. I'm here with Jay Leonard J. We're in Germany at Guitar Point, which is this really well-respected, well-known vintage guitar store. There's like 59 Les Pauls in the corner. And although I can appreciate that walking around, it's just not for me, man. I'm not going to buy a $20,000 guitar. It's not going to happen. So I was asking Jay if he'd indulge me a little bit. So here's what we found. I found this custom coupe 72. This amp is about $1,000, 1,000 euros. And I think they sound fantastic. And we found this Cabernita, and it's is that made in the USA or made in Mexico?
Oh, let's go see here. It looks. Oh, it's US. It's a US 2001.
So made in USA Cabernita. What's the price on this?
Oh, 1,595 euros. So
1,500 euros. So at the same price as American Standard Strat. So it's funny. These are literally, I want to say the least expensive things here in the store.
Yeah, by far, I think. I think when you asked the other guy to pull them out, he was just like, "Really?
Yeah,
that's what you wanted?"
Yeah, there were. Yeah, in fact, he kept telling us there was cobwebs in the amp. He's like, "There's cobwebs in the amp because no one's tried it." And I'm gonna let Jay Leonard J literally have at this stuff, and we're gonna see how it sounds. See how it's got that?
It has a little spank in there, right? But it has a body to it too as well.
It's different. It's different than a normal telly, right? It's got its own little thing happening.
It's nice. It's good for that kind of stuff, eh?
Now watch this. Now here's what's funny. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you.
Yeah, pretty much every sound too. You get really swampy with it. You get kind of overdrivey and really crystal clear too.
Anytime you see these, it's funny. They go for like not very much money, even though they're made in USA and stuff. But they were like this weird amp, you know, loaded with stuff.
Man, that's pretty crazy. This is the 212 too, right?
212, yeah. So what did you think?
You know what? I was actually very surprised. I used to work at a guitar store when I was right out of college, and they had a bunch of these actually. They had a whole row of them, and I actually never plugged into them. I never played them. No one was ever interested in them. No one ever wanted to buy one.
Right.
So this was actually pretty interesting to actually plug into one, and actually there's a lot of variety in sound. You can go from really clean. We were able to get some overdrive stuff, and it got really saturated like mad once you went to the top of it.
Well, what's crazy about them was these were designed by James Brown, not the singer. James Brown, the guy behind the 5150 amp. He designed the 50. Actually, you know what he did? He did the 5150 amps and the PV Classic amps.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you know, because right, a lot of us played the classics because you know it's the competition for like Fender's Hot Rod series. And when he went to custom, he came up with the 36, which is the 112 of this, and the 72, and they made this. And one of the things I think is the funniest story is this. This is called Naugahyde, and because they don't really make it anymore, except for like for 50s diners, like you know, it's actually really super expensive. That's why there's only one piece of it on there. It was actually because it's to keep the price down. It's so expensive to put the stuff on there. They put a little piece, a panel, to cut the cost. So it's funny, the thing that we all make fun of, like that's
the most expensive
yeah,
thing they can do.
Yeah. The thing is, like, if you took that off, it'd be great. And it's like literally, like that's the thing they had to spend the money on. So that was cool. Thank you so much. This was fun. Dude, we're having a blast.
Pleasure to be here, man. This was too much fun.
Yeah, and we're gonna be doing the Rockin' 1000. Another rehearsal tonight.
Yeah, we have one rehearsal tonight, and then we are rocking it tomorrow. Loud. Proud. You're going to be in the front of the band, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be fun though.
Yeah, we're gonna have a blast.
Germany's a blast.
You know, I really like it. Everyone's super nice, and a store like this is pretty darn cool. We don't have too much like this.
No, we don't have anything like this where I live either. There's no like high-end store like this where you can just walk around and grab crazy stuff.
Old stuff, I know.
Well, on that note, guys, I'm gonna thank you so much for your time, and until next time, know your gear.